right, everyone. Welcome to the Ladies of Justice League YouTube channel. Here we have Miss Peggy Beauregard. She's a well-known author of her book, where she'll let you know how it can benefit you. She's a long-time wealthy real estate investor as well as a money expert. So go ahead, Peggy.
Hi. Amy, thanks very much for inviting me. I'm Peggy Beauregard. I am the author of Build Your Nest Egg, Discover the Magic of Money and Investing. And the reason I wrote this book for you was because most parents never learned enough about money to teach their children about money. So I have all the basics of how to make money, how to save money, where you can save money, where you can do this, where you can do that, and a little bit about investing. Because the more you know, the better you go. So buy the book on Amazon, The Nest Egg Builder. We are a 5-star complimentary of ideas that everybody has said. If you read some of the, whatever you call them, what do you call them, Amy? That people have written about the book that they read, you will not want to not have this book in your library. So teach your children, teach your grandchildren, your aunts, your uncles, your cousins. One of my friends called me to tell me he has read the book cover to cover. He created a budget from that. He then took the budget with his family and sat down and figured out how they could be completely out of debt by January, which is only 2 months away now, and they're doing well. Then he took the budget to his sister's family, and the sister's family is now working on getting themselves out of debt. And then he took the budget over to his parents, and they are working on having a better life. So that is what this book does. This book inspires you to understand how money works and then put it in place.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yep. I found the book very helpful, educational. Even as an adult, I'm not a kid anymore, but still,
Yes.
even as an adult, there were some concepts and information that was very helpful for me as well now and in the future as well.
Well, it is written for adults because most of us adults didn't understand anything about money, right? So
Then we can help our kids or
Yes.
nieces, nephews, any other family member. It's
That's
a great
great.
book. Go to Amazon, Build a Nest Egg, Discover the Magic of Money and Investing by Peggy Beauregard. I highly recommend it. Thanks for joining. Make sure you like, subscribe on our YouTube channel. Have a great day. Bye.
bye.